How to make your own tool for sharpening chisels, plane blades, and other woodworking tools. The tool shown in the video is easy to make but very accurate. It will serve you for a very long time. To make such a tool, you will need a metal plate. Heat the plate using a gas burner in the right place and bend it at a 90-degree angle. Now heat it in another place and bend it in the same direction at the same angle. Drill holes in the bent parts of the plate and cut threads in the holes. In the part of the plate that is not bent, drill 2 holes with a smaller diameter and also cut threads in them. The holes in the bent parts of the plate should be on the same axis. Cut the bent ends of the plate with a grinder so that they are the same length. Process the cut edges on a grinding wheel. Now you need another metal plate that matches the size of the non-bent part of the drilled plate. Use a marker to make marks on the new plate so that they match the holes in the other plate. Drill the new plate where the marks are. Now paint the plates. Next, you need 2 bolts with threads that match the threads in the bent plate. Place bearings on the bolts that match the diameter of the bolts. The bearings are secured on both sides with washers. Screw the bolts into the threads in the plate. Now you need small bolts to attach the second plate. Of course, the thread of the bolts is the same as the one you cut in the plate. The sharpening tool is ready. Try out the tool. Insert a chisel between the plates of the tool. You can use a simple whetstone for sharpening. Select the sharpening angle you need. Secure the chisel with bolts. By moving this structure back and forth along the whetstone, you will sharpen the chisel at the exact angle you have selected. Then remove the chisel from the tool and sharpen the other side of the chisel a little. That's it. The chisel is well sharpened. Now let's sharpen the plane blade. Repeat the same steps you did with the chisel with the knife. As you can see, the sharpening tool works perfectly. Everything is done easily and simply.